Do you want to grow your print on demand business? Then there are two steps which are really important, and most of the people are ignoring these steps, and that's the reason why they are not able to grow their print on demand business on any of the platform. And this is the most important thing. These are the two steps which you have to do every single day if you want to become a good print on demand seller who makes a significant amount of income. Okay, so now let's talk about these steps. Number one step would be to check Google Analytics every single day. So a lot of people are a bit lazy, okay, and a lot of audience ask me questions that it is important to connect Google Analytics with Redbubble or TeePublic. I say it is one of the most important steps which you should take. Okay, you will find a video in the I button where I have shown you how you can connect your Redbubble or any other print on demand account with Google Analytics, because you get the entire data. Now you come to know that which of the visitors are visiting which of the designs on your store, and then what you can do is that you can create more designs which are related to that particular design, and in this way there is a great chance that you can earn extra money and you can get extra sale, as well as this is the trick through which you can get your first initial sales quickly as soon as possible. So this is something which should be never be ignored if you are a print on demand seller, and you should check out Google Analytics every single day. Now second step and second checklist which you should tick if you want to become a good print on demand seller is that you should be looking for the trends. Okay, so there are websites like Google Trends, there are websites like trendingbubble.com, as well as many websites which I have mentioned in lot of my videos, which give you analytics about which of the products are trending, as well as you can go to websites like aliexpress.com, amazon.com, and these websites are also the websites where you will find a lot of products that are trending, as well as look out for the Google Trends. So in this way you can find a lot of things which are really trending at that particular time, and trending is equals to more sales. So if you can see and you can get some idea and you can capitalize on those trends with your print on demand business, then it is going to be really easy way for you to get success in the print on demand space. Most of the people are not doing this properly, and that's the reason why they are not achieving success. So if you want to achieve success in the field of print on demand, then these are the two checklists which you should check out every single day. First is checking your Google Analytics and connecting with it, and second is looking for the trends. If you are able to do these two things or two steps every single day and apply these steps to whatever print on demand designs you are creating, then definitely you can make a ton of money. And this is something which is my experience of print on demand, which I am sharing with you on this YouTube channel. I hope you have got some value out of this video and you have learned something which you can apply and grow your business. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.